Not a cardinal.
He's got a tag on him. I wonder how fucking close I can get to him.
Dude.
I like tapped him with it. You okay, Mr. Bird?
Look, he's got like a greeny patch on his back. Like
pet him.
I don't want to touch him necessarily. What's his hair sticking out of his mouth? Oh.
Do that again. He was almost gonna get on your screen.
That's crazy. He's a pretty guy, whatever he is. I don't even know what the hell it is.
I can't believe you just picked up a fucking bird. I think he wants to go home with you, dude.
No, I ain't playing that.
Gotta throw him up on my shoulder. I'll walk around with him all day.
He's kind of lethargic, dude.
I know. His one eye is shut.
Look, get close to it. And